in that short amount of time. I wasn't expecting it to come out at all. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Hey guys, what's up and welcome to this video. Right now, I am gonna try to design and sew a prom dress in 24 hours. I know, it's summer. I didn't even have a prom this year because, you know, Corona. I'm so excited that you're here with me today. Watch me struggle and cry and try to do this. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing that I want to do is basically just badly sketch out kind of like my ideas for this. So I'll meet you guys back here when I'm done doing that. Alright you guys, so it's a few hours later because I did take a break to do a few things. So right now it's 2:48. So if I'm going to do this in 24 hours, I'm kind of screwed. So I just want to show you my quick sketch. It took a few sketches to get there, but it was super like fast and I wasn't putting in details. So the next thing I want to do, once I kind of have a drawing and an idea of what I want to do, is I do a page called Parts. So on this, I kind of look at my drawing and I figure out, okay, what parts do I need, right? Which parts will make up the top part? What about the skirt part? What about the back? So I put that all together and then I'll basically just make a sheet that kind of has a layout of all the parts that I need. But once I have that, I now need to figure out the measurements. So I feel like, in my opinion, this is the hardest part of making anything. I don't do this the traditional way. Instead, I literally take other clothes I have that are like similar to what I want to do, and then I literally just try to measure them and figure out how big the pieces are. Generally I'm correct, but there are a few times where I'm wrong and I have to alter it later, but it's not a big deal. Alright, so I've got them all measured. Hopefully they're correct. I'm hoping so much. It's already like 5:43, so that's like 5.5 hours gone. I don't think I can do this, but we're gonna try. So I have to make basically a paper pattern of everything. It just makes things a lot easier. So I like to just like piece together different parts and measure them all out on paper and then cut those out first. You guys, so I took a break for dinner, so it is now 8:16, and as you can tell by the trashing lighting, it just means the sun is going down. So after a while, I probably won't be able to get some very good camera shots, but hopefully just bear with me because I'll probably be working until I go to bed because 24 hours is not a really long time to make a prom dress. So we're just gonna keep going. I got my audio book and I'm just gonna keep listening to it while I work away. So let's do this. You guys, so it's actually the next morning. As you can tell, I'm kind of a mess. My room is a huge mess, but we have 3 hours to go until I'm supposed to finish this thing, and I actually have other things I gotta do. So I don't know if I can do this, but as you probably saw last night, I finished the top part, and now I'm working on the skirt part. So it's kind of a mess right now because I'm like pinning it to this like band that I'm doing, and then I'm like kind of like, what is this called? Like accordion folding it along the way, and just, I hope I can finish. I'm actually not that far off, but I feel like there's gonna be a lot of details that I'm gonna have to fix, and that's the part that's gonna take tons of time. We'll see. Wish me luck. Alright, so I've sewn the top and bottom together. I just have to figure out how to attach it in a way that I can still slip it on, you know? So it's still prom that I'm dealing with and I have 1 hour to go. So I don't really know if I can do this, but I'm trying, and if I can figure it out, I might actually be able to do this within 24 hours. So this is really exciting. But I'll see you guys in an hour, I guess. Oh my goodness, you guys. I just put it on for the first time. Like, I tell you, when I finished like sewing the last part, I was like, okay, I'm gonna put it on as fast as possible, and it needs some work, but it fits, okay? I am shocked. I'll be honest, it is 1 o'clock right now, so I did miss the 24 hours by 1 hour, and I was like scrambling for the last hour, but oh my gosh, I didn't think I could actually do this. Like, in that short amount of time, I wasn't expecting it to come out at all. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Safe, fun week. Go do something fun. That is your sign to go do something fun.